Hi friends, hope you are doing fine. It is a difficult time through which all of us are facing, and also on the career aspect. I understand it is challenging time for some people who are looking for jobs. The people who wanting to make a change. There are students who would have completed their study and would have had campus placement either being done now or already got over. So some of you who are lucky would have got good opportunity with organization. It is great. For some of you who couldn't get the opportunity, who are still looking out for something better, this video is for them. I want to share a very short story here and see if this can help you to put things into perspective. So this is about 20 years back when I completed my MBA and MBA in HR, and I passed out. I was happy that I completed successfully with a good position, good rank. But then when you do a professional course like an MBA, you expect to get placed end of it, right? But that was not to happen in our batch because one, the economy was going through recession. Secondly, in a place like Ranchi, not many companies were willing to come to the campus. So we had very limited opportunities, very limited interviews that used to happen. So most of the students had to find options for themselves after completing MBA. So I was also one amongst them. So after May, I had two options, One was to be sad about the fact that we did not get placed. Second was to do something about it. From our batch of 60 people, for the boys, it is imperative that they need to start earning. So a lot of them decided to travel to either Delhi or Mumbai or to any other metro where they would have somebody, or they could go to some consultants to apply for jobs, to seek for jobs, to give their resumes in some of the organizations. Because I'm talking about something which was like 20 years back, so this internet, social media, these things were not so easily available. I remember even our internship project, we had to go to internet cafe to type them out. And internet cafe also was not really available everywhere that you can just go and email your resume to people. So what I did was, for me again, it was not easy that I could just travel to any place and stay alone there applying for jobs and keep waiting for it. So what I could do being at home in Ranchi was that I thought, let me try something which is in my hand. I took the contact details of my alumni members from the institute and I wrote to them. Along with my resume, I wrote a letter to each of these alumni members, a covering note, a one-page letter with my resume. I would have sent to at least 40 of my alumni members who were at that point of time in some senior positions in some of the organizations. So actually I wrote, made 40 envelopes, put the stamp, went to the post office and posted them. While I was doing this, I was very positive that this is going to give me a result. At the age of 22, you have so many dreams, you have so many aspirations, and I had a lot of passion towards this which I was doing, and I knew that this is going to give me some result. I was not knowing what exactly, but yes, I was not really having that idea, whether somebody at the other end who received my letter would really take that seriously, would really respond to me, will this really yield result. I did not think anything about that. I just said that let me do this. This is my action currently. This is what best I can do in this circumstance. I did that. Out of 40, I got 2 responses. You can calculate the percentage, but that's okay. I'm still happy that I took that action that point of time. Secondly, Since I had few months in hand before I got placed, I said let me look for an opportunity where I can spend my time in a more productive way. So with help of some reference, with grace of God, I got internship opportunity with SAIL in Ranchi. And then, so there I started going for my internship work. Meanwhile, I was waiting and I was seeing for job openings, getting connected with my alumni members, connecting with my institute if there is any opportunity, anything that they were aware of where I could apply. And with the grace of God, again, there was an opportunity with L&T Mumbai where I was eligible to apply. I traveled to Mumbai for the interview and I got through, and that is the way that was my first job with L&T. That's the way my career started, as a management trainee with L&T, and the rest is history. So what I want to bring home here, the point I want to make over here is that at times, when things are tough, you need to check with yourself what is that you could do in that current situation. What are those 3 or 5 actions which is in your hand, which is in your control. So even though those actions may not immediately give you the result, but at least taking that action puts you in that momentum. This momentum will generate the result for you. And today it is so easy actually, with so much of social media where you can create a profile on a LinkedIn and upload your resume on different portals. You can have access to your alumni members. You can have access to read about the various organizations, read about job openings, apply in those organizations. With the social media, with the easy availability of internet, mobile, everything, it's so much easier to connect with anybody across in the world and to present yourself, to present your skills. So look out for my next video, which is about leveraging social media for your job search or for starting your career. So looking for the right opportunity is a matter of patience. Yes, it requires a lot of patience. So if I can do it, you certainly can do it. If I, staying in a small place, small town like Ranchi, have so much of positivity and so much of optimism that yes, I am going to land something good and I need to do my part to get that opportunity, because only when you seek out something, the universe gives that to you. If you do not take action, even the universe doesn't support you. So start taking that action, and you have the answer with you. What is that action that you can take? What are those 3 actions that you can take today to make that first step towards your career, to take that first step towards your career? So think about those actions and get into that momentum. Generate that excitement. If you are in the state of high energy, in that excitement, in that momentum, everything around you will support you. You will start receiving support from your friends, maybe some references, somewhere you would have applied. You will see that you get response from them. So options are unlimited. It's a question of you reaching out to those options. So have patience, seek out those opportunities, have faith in yourself, and do your best. Maybe there's something better which is waiting for you out there. All the best. Thank you.